Hello guys, today we are learning how to make money selling ebooks in 2022. Everyone knows that a free ebook is one of the best lead management strategies for the best business of any size. But didn't you know there a whole other ebook world where you can actually make money? Look at the data visualization below you and how ebook sales have expanded in the past few years, and yes, the growth is still happening exponentially. Even through free ebooks offer value to subscribers, exchanging their image for the download paid for ebook must deliver a wealth of valuable information plus actionable advice for the reader.
Binance 100% safe.
Here's a selection of 8 easy to edit ebook templates. You can edit, share, and download with me. View more templates below.
ਯਾਰ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ
Are you an expert of something? Lots of share, or are you a great storyteller? Either way, you can make money. Selling ebooks, all you need is well ebook and a good dose of productivity, effort, and passion. Or if you feel like this is a right next step for your business, this is guide for you. In this article, we have you learn ebooks are great to earning passive income and share tips and guidelines for where and how to sell your ebooks. Ready to make tuning ebooks online, create, publish, share, and sell your ebooks easily using Visme's online book creator. Use ready-made templates to drag and drop design tools, built-in images, and more. Tables of content. Number one, ebooks are good for the passive income. 7 says to help you sell ebooks, ebook file types and formatting. How to sell ebooks in lemon simple ways. Why ebooks are good for passive income? Passive income is one of the most straight sought after source of income today. It means you are able to generate income with minimal labor involved. In other words, work less and earn more. Who does not want that, right? Well, ebooks are a great addition to any passive income strategy. Why? Because once you create an ebook market it and share it and technically sell itself. Now it takes a decent amount of effort to write a valuable content, not to mention building a strong brand, and will carry your ebook to success is not an overnight task. But even you do set everything up correctly, ebooks can help you to make money from a long time. In fact, the more evergreen your content is and more you keep promoting and updating it, the longer life ebook need more convincing. Here are some reasons why ebooks are great for passive income. They are relatively easy digital product to make. Even through an ebook will take work to put together and publish it. Still a much easier digital product to create than a multiple lesson online course. You might even most of the content in your blog post article that can together create the foundation of ebook.